Hello everyone. Today, we will show how you can easily update your reseller's terms and conditions page with xCloud White Label. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud account. Once logged in, head over to the White Label tab. Now, find the Settings option from the navigation bar and click on it. Next, click on Terms of Service to access the customization options. Here, you'll see the default TOS option containing sample terms of service content. You can modify it or update it completely. Once you've made the necessary changes, click the Save button. Let's see how this looks on your reseller's landing page. Go back to your reseller dashboard and click on the Use Your Own TOS option. Here, you can insert the link to your Ready Terms of Service page. Paste the link and click the Save button. Now, if you go to your reseller's home page, you'll see an option for Terms of Service. Click on it and it will take you directly to the Terms of Service page you've linked. And that's it. You've successfully updated your reseller's Terms of Service page. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.